Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we got a 2012 Volkswagen CC, and as you can see we got 20% on the sides and we got no tint on the front. But tomorrow I'm going to go over to the tint shop and they will install a 50% tint all on the front, and I'm even going to do a 5% or a 2% eyebrow or sun strip, whatever you call it. I might do 2% actually, just so it contrasts a little bit better. But yeah, the 20% looks really nice right now. The time is about like 7:30 right now at night. But the problem is when the sun is coming in directly onto here, this acts as like 70% because you could just see like everything inside. So yeah, 20% on here, all around on the back as well. There's no bubbles or anything on there. It looks pretty good. You can see a little bit of the center console there, but overall at the front you could pretty much see straight through. But that wasn't an issue at first since I didn't really care, but over time I started to notice more and more. Alright guys, so here it is on the road. Here's a full blank windshield, no tint at all. I have 20% on all the sides. Right now I'm on my way to the tint shop, so this is what it looks like during the day without a tint. And I'll also do another comparison whenever I have it on, just so you could see. But yeah, it's a pretty nice day. Alright, it's been one day and I couldn't wait any longer, but the 50% is finally on there. And as you can tell, it does make a big improvement. And I'm parked towards the sun, facing right in. And as you can tell, you can just barely see my little trees and the steering wheel and the sun visors up there. And they wanted to charge a little bit more for the sun strip. So I'm just going to do that myself, honestly. You can still see the stickers and everything. Yeah, I'm actually really shocked of how well it looks, because inside you can just see straight out like clear as day. Alright, so here's how the 50% looks like inside. It's actually pretty clear. And here's the 20%. It's kind of hard to tell on camera. And 50% here, the sun right up here. In my opinion, I have no trouble, but at night, like a night drive will for sure look a little different. But all around it looks really nice. I'm still gonna add the sun strip up here. Right now I have the sun visors down, but yeah, it's actually pretty clean. I really like it. So I'll show you guys a night drive right now. 6:32, but it's actually 7:32. My clock is wrong on there, but yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit when it's super dark, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, we're back right now. It is 8 o'clock at night, and as you can tell, they're 20%, 50. I can still see the road and everything ahead of me, and I have my normal headlights on. I don't have the high beams on. Yeah, this is what it looks like right now. There's no lights here, like street lights. There's maybe 2 over there, but it looks really good. To be honest, I could not even tell that I had the tint on because it's just barely noticeable. But yeah, I'm gonna come out of the car here soon. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in complete darkness. That's when it really shows, because right now in the daytime you can still kind of see inside, like I said before. But I'm gonna go over here and park, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I just got out of the car, and you can tell a huge difference now. Cannot see inside, not even with my eyes. Like, I have to get super close to the glass to even see the dashboard. And at the front, same thing. My camera doesn't even want to focus because it's so dark. But I could turn on my flash on my phone just to show you guys. But yeah, when I turn the flash on, there you can see steering wheel, little trees. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. Very, very impressed by it. 50% is a great tint. I can't even see through anymore. Like, I cannot even see the dashboard. So that's a huge plus. But yeah, there we have it. Alright, it is 7:30 p.m. 2 days after the tint installation. As you can tell, you can still see the steering wheel, the little trees hanging there. And with the naked eye it's better, because on the camera there's a lot of glare and reflection. But yep, I'm very happy with it. It looks super great, not too dark, not too light, just perfect. So yeah, very satisfied with it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helps you decide whether to get a windshield tint or not. I was watching other YouTube videos and I've seen many people get 55 or 60%, but 50%, I was a little half and half about it, but I'm very happy I did it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.